Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to easily record the computer screen with the inbuilt features of Windows 10. So without further delay, let's get started. This key and then press the G in combination of that. So Microsoft key plus G from your keyboard. And once you do that, you will pretty much get this screen, these icons on your screen. So what next you will do, then you click on this setting button, and then I'm just going to show you the shortcut. Otherwise you just need to press a button, right? So if you press the shortcut, as you can see, this will bring up what I have pressed, the Microsoft key plus this G button, right? It will bring these icons, and what is saying, if I want to start recording, I just need to press the Microsoft key Alt plus R, and Microsoft key Alt plus R again to stop the recording, right? So for me, I just cancel all things out, and I even don't need to do that. And there are a couple of options on this screen as well. So there is also a simple button as well. If I go here and show it to you, this is the record button, and if you want to do the mic on and off, that's what also the button is here as well. So for sure I need the mic recording on, so I leave it there. And then if I press this button, the moment I press the button, as you can see, this has started the recording, right? So now whatever I'll do, when I press the button, as you can see, this has started the recording, right? So now whatever I'll do on the screen, it will do the recording. So let's see. I have started the recording, so I am sharing my YouTube channel. So basically, this YouTube channel is on the you can see I have a bunch of the Python courses, and then I have some Excel video as well. In future, I'm planning to do more of Word and good video, these videos like that. So if I go to the About section, this is also say, okay, I will do Excel, PowerPoint, spreadsheet, Python programming, etc. Right? No theory, just the practical stuff, right? And if I'll go on, and here you can see I do have the website as well. So if I go on the website, this is me and my bookshelf. So you can have a look here. And then I have some CFA courses which somebody wants to do, and some stock analysis video as well, which I usually do on another channel. So that's on this side, this kind of a video, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it, right? So this is another channel, right? My professional, my name and all, and then it tells about that and shows a lot of it. Has more subscribers as compared to the recently this new channel. Okay, so and that's pretty much it, right? So on the screen it will do the recording. So let's see. So isn't it that so easy to record your screen, computer screen, using this feature? And yeah, you can share the tutorials, make any these kind of videos, and it's quite fun, right? So if you, but there is a certain limitation of doing like using this. Basically, you cannot just have your side screen there, and you cannot just the pause or go back and forth, right? So in order to do that, there is some more professional open source software are there, which also I'm using. So when I have to record this video, I have to go back and forth between my phone. So I'm sorry about that. If you like it and you like the initiative of making this kind of video, please give a thumbs up, and do definitely subscribe and more on these kind of a video. Or if you want me to cover any future other video, please put in the comments. Really appreciate that.